My name is Johnson Joseph. This is the first meeting at the Brick City Tech. I learned a lot personally. There's a lot of information that was said today, and I'm looking forward for the next meeting and learning some more and networking with other people. So hopefully this experience will be a good experience, and I can learn a lot.
My name is Spiro, and I thought it was a good intro. I'm curious to see how things will work out. Because again, as per what I said before, there's a tension between business people and not a tension, but a difference in interest between business people and techies. So we shall see how that story plays out.
Yeah, and I think it was fabulous. I mean, I already came up with an idea while you were talking at the podium that I talked to Anthony about. So.
Cool.
Maybe it's something that we can work together on as a group.
Well, I think that we should really focus on innovation. I think that's one thing that I've come to fall in love with in Newark. That the amount of innovative ideas that one can have are equal to, coders, to programmers, to people that can actually execute them. And we both value each other. So I think if we really focus on, like I said, innovation as a whole, this meetup can go far. I think it's the first of its kind. Which is innovative in itself, so congratulations to you guys. But I'm excited to, see it grow and to see it develop, and I'll be here.